Hi, I'm Ian Smith. That's at Ian Smith on GitHub, and this is slopstop. AI writes code fast and quietly piles up slop, duplication, dead code, needless complexity. You don't see it today, you see it months from now when someone has to maintain the code. So let's set expectations. This won't make your team faster. Your AI tools already handle speed. Slopstop does the opposite. It deliberately slows down the agent and trades a little time now for code that's worth keeping later. Everything starts with one ticket, one focused task. It could be written by AI or a human. The ticket defines the scope, and everything downstream is measured against it. Then it runs the gauntlet, 9 checkpoints before anything merges. 1. The agent writes the test first before it writes any code, so the tests describe the behavior we actually want, not whatever the code happened to do. They stay red until the feature truly exists. 3. A detailed, documented implementation plan validated against the existing code and the failing tests. This is all before a single line is changed. 4. After the build, we run simplified. That's built by Claude Code, not by me. Its 4 agents comb through the diff for the usual slop, duplication, over-engineering, dead code. And our rule is simple. Anything simplifies surfaces, once it's vetted, it has to be fixed before we proceed. 5. Once it's committed, another adversary confirms that the work matches the plan, stays inside scope, and turns the red tests green, and flags anything extra nobody asked for. 6 is optional. If our containerized RAG system, that's retrieval augmented generation, is running, it checks not the new code, but the code that the new code references 2 levels deep for dead code and rising complexity. 8, a hard gate on cyclomatic complexity. We warn at 10 and stop at 15. This catches a very specific AI habit, bolting on special case after special case until complexity spikes up into the 30s. Past the limit, it's simply not allowed to merge. And 9, all along, we kept 3 living files, the plan, the findings, and the progress. What we set out to do, what we discovered, and what actually happened. They ride back onto the ticket. The result is a pull request you can merge with confidence. The behavior was specified up front, the slop was combed out, the scope held, complexity stayed capped, and the whole story is documented: what happened, why, and who decided on the ticket. That's slopstop. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, because AI-generated code, prevention will always beat recovery. Thanks for watching. You'll find slopstop on GitHub. That's github.com/IanSmith/slopstop. Thanks.